Welcome back, Classic Motor. Today we're taking an in-depth look at one of Audi's most refined and compelling luxury sedans, the 2026 Audi A6 S Line. This model blends premium design, cutting-edge technology, engaging performance, and everyday usability into one sophisticated package. Whether you're interested in how it looks, what it's like inside, how it performs on the road, or what it costs, we've got you covered with a detailed review you can use for your next video. From the moment you see the 2026 Audi A6 S Line on the road, it makes a strong impression. The exterior styling takes all the elegance you expect from Audi and adds a sporty edge that sets it apart from the standard A6. The front fascia is dominated by Audi's signature single-frame grille, which in the S Line model features a bold, wide, gloss black finish, with the S Line badge proudly displayed. The grille is flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights that offer an attractive modern lighting signature and exceptional visibility in all conditions. These headlights are adaptive, meaning they can adjust the beam pattern to avoid blinding oncoming traffic, while still providing excellent illumination at night. The hood is smooth and sculpted, with subtle lines that lead your eyes toward the windshield, giving the A6 a sense of motion even when it's standing still. Along the sides, the body lines are clean and sophisticated. Nothing overly aggressive, but enough character to give the car personality and athleticism. The S Line trim adds sportier side skirts and larger, more striking alloy wheels, often 20 or 21 inches, with performance tires that fill the wheel arches perfectly. The stance feels composed and a bit wider than previous generations, reinforcing the car's sporty intentions. From the side, you'll notice the seamless integration of design and function. The frameless windows create an uninterrupted glass line that enhances the premium feel. Door handles are body-colored and flush with the doors, providing a clean visual flow. Chrome or blacked-out accents around the windows and body give buyers options to tailor the look toward elegance or sportiness. Moving to the rear, you'll find a design that feels modern and refined. Full LED taillights stretch across the back and have a distinctive light signature unique to the latest Audi models. A subtle integrated spoiler sits on the trunk lid, giving a sporty touch without appearing excessive. On S Line trims, you'll often find dual exhaust outlets integrated into a sportier rear bumper, hinting at the performance potential beneath the surface. Overall, the exterior of the 2026 Audi A6 S Line strikes a balance between executive luxury and sporty character. The design is contemporary without being overly flashy, appealing to buyers who want a premium presence without compromising sophistication. Step inside the 2026 Audi A6 S Line, and the interior immediately feels like a step into the future. Audi has long been known for its beautifully crafted cabins, and this model takes things to another level. The materials feel genuinely premium. Soft touch surfaces, real aluminum or optional wood accents, and high-quality leather upholstery make the A6 feel upscale and luxurious. The seats themselves are a highlight. The S Line model features sports seats with enhanced bolstering to keep occupants planted during spirited driving. The seats are both heated and ventilated, and higher trims add massage functions and power adjustment with memory settings. These seats are extremely comfortable for long drives, making the A6 S Line as suitable for highway cruising as it is for daily commuting. The dashboard layout is modern and intuitive. Audi's virtual cockpit sits directly in front of the driver, a fully digital instrument panel that can be customized to show classic dials, a large navigation screen, performance data, or a combination of features. The graphics are crisp, easy to read, and highly configurable based on what the driver prefers. At the center of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment display. This system runs Audi's latest MMI software, which supports navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and a host of connected services. The screen is bright, responsive, and easy to operate, and menus are logically organized, so you're not digging through confusing lists to find what you want. Below this main screen, a secondary touchscreen controls the climate settings, seat functions, and some convenience features. This dual-screen setup is one of Audi's signature features and adds to the modern, tech-driven feel of the cabin. Sound quality in the A6 is excellent, even without upgrades, but many trims offer a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert-level audio environment. Voice prompts, navigation cues, and media playback all come through with clarity and depth, making every drive more enjoyable. Storage and usability are well thought out too. The center console offers generous bin space, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a convenient cup holder layout. The trunk is spacious for a luxury sedan, offering enough room for weekend luggage, groceries, or travel gear. Performance is another area where the 2026 Audi A6 S Line truly shines. The standard powertrain is typically a turbocharged inline-4 or V6 engine, depending on your region and configuration. Even the base engine delivers smooth, confident acceleration with plenty of torque available at low RPMs. The S-Line model may come standard with the V6, offering a more robust and engaging driving experience with immediate throttle response and strong mid-range punch. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is often included or available, providing excellent traction in wet or slippery conditions, and adding confidence when exiting corners or driving on uneven surfaces. This system is one of Audi's trademarks and contributes significantly to the A6's composed handling and stability. The transmission is a refined automatic gearbox that shifts quickly and smoothly. It anticipates throttle inputs in many driving situations to keep the power flowing without hesitation. Whether you're merging onto a highway or cruising in traffic, the transmission feels natural and seamless. Steering is precise and communicative for a luxury sedan, and the S-Line's sport suspension tuning gives the car a more responsive feel without making the ride harsh. In comfort mode, the suspension absorbs bumps and imperfections well, delivering a relaxed cruising experience. Switch to the sport mode, and the dampers firm up, body roll reduces, and feedback improves, making the car feel more engaging and eager through corners. Braking performance is solid and confidence-inspiring. Large ventilated disc brakes provide consistent stopping power, and advanced stability control systems work behind the scenes to help you maintain control in emergency situations or during spirited driving. Technology and safety features in the 2026 A6 S Line are comprehensive. Standard driver assistance features often include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Higher trims or packages add even more features like highway pilot assist, traffic jam assist, night vision assist, and advanced parking assist systems. These features enhance safety and convenience without overwhelming the driver. Fuel efficiency in the A6 S Line is competitive for its class. The turbocharged engines deliver a good balance between performance and economy, and features like cylinder deactivation and intelligent start-stop systems help optimize fuel usage during everyday driving. While this is not a hybrid or fully electric model, Audi's engineering ensures that you won't be sacrificing efficiency for luxury and power. Now let's talk about pricing, because that's an important part of the decision for many buyers. The 2026 Audi A6 S Line is positioned as a premium performance luxury sedan, and its pricing reflects that. The base S Line model typically starts around $65,000 to $70,000, offering strong performance, sporty design elements, and a comprehensive feature set. Mid-range trims with upgraded interiors, advanced driver assist packages, adaptive cruise control, premium sound systems, and larger wheels often range between $75,000 and $85,000. Fully loaded versions with all the technology packages, top-tier upholstery options, advanced driver systems, panoramic sunroof, and premium audio systems can push into the low to mid-$90,000 range, or even exceed $100,000 with customization. While this may seem substantial, the value proposition is strong when you consider the performance, technology, luxury, and everyday usability that the A6 S Line delivers. Customization options for the 2026 A6 S Line are extensive. Buyers can choose from an array of exterior paint colors, wheel designs, interior trim finishes, lighting packages, and technology add-ons. Audi also offers sport and luxury appearance packages that emphasize either aggressive styling or refined elegance, depending on your preference. Overall, the 2026 Audi A6 S Line is a remarkable luxury sedan that successfully combines dynamic performance, premium design, modern technology, and everyday practicality. Its exterior design feels elegant yet athletic. Its interior is both comfortable and tech-forward, and its performance is engaging without being overwhelming. Whether you're driving in the city, cruising on the highway, or navigating winding back roads, the A6 S Line feels confident and capable. That wraps up our deep, detailed review of the 2026 Audi A6 S Line. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that delivers on style, performance, technology, and comfort, this car should be near the top of your list. Thanks for watching Classic Motor, and stay tuned for more in-depth and honest car reviews.